Can olive oil help with peripheral neuropathy?
Yes, olive oil is a good substitute for canola oil and corn oil. These are what's called seed oils. Olive oil is made from an actual olive, and you want extra virgin olive oil. Why is it called extra virgin? Because it's as pure as you can get, unadulterated, and it's cold pressed. Heat screws up the benefits of oils. So extra virgin olive oil is a good thing to use. Some people can actually take a teaspoon of it once or twice a day. I would recommend that we increase your salad intake, because salad is real, and use a olive oil based dressing. The way olive oil actually helps nerve damage is that it feeds the nerves. Nerves need energy, and fats from olive oil can be broken down into energy, which feeds the mitochondria, which is the energy producing parts of the nerve cell.
So why are seed oils bad for you?
Seed oils are bad primarily by the way they're processed. They're hard to get the oils out, so you have to compress them under a lot of pressure and under a lot of heat. And when you do that, it changes the molecular biology of them. They're no longer representative of the basic real corn or canola, those types of things. They're different. And so extra virgin olive oil, like I've said before, is just like eating an olive, but more of it. So if you hit the bottom button that you see there, here's to health, wealth, and happy nerves.